Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Loris, your premier channel for wealth and motivation. A very happy new year to you all. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. Congratulations for making it through the last 24 months of human craziness and through the forces of nature. If you still feel very important, please remember that some invisible virus determined all human activity over the last 24 months. Regardless of all the events of the last 24 months, take a deep breath and commit to leave all the past behind. In this video we are going to take simple challenges to transform our minds, bodies and subsequently our finances for the better. If you are tired of being broke, unfit and unfocused, well, you have come to the right place. Please make a commitment to stick with our advice, and we promise you will soar to your fullest potential. Well then, let's get serious and take the first steps to being truly wealthy in all aspects of our lives. There are 5 simple habits and disciplines we are going to practice daily to achieve our goal of being wealthy. Remember, all you need is commitment. As we get further into this video, please subscribe to this channel and like this video. Habit or discipline 1. For the next 48 days, wake up at 4 a.m. after 8 hours of sleep. Go on, start today. Take this simple challenge very seriously because all the most successful people do this. The more you do it, the easier it becomes. You may use a journal to record your wake-up time every day because this will help you become accountable to yourself. Habit or discipline 2. For the next 48 days, from 4:10 a.m. to 4:50 a.m., work out for 30 minutes and rest for 10 minutes. The first 5 minutes must be used for warming up with simple light stretches, jumping jacks, jogging on the spot and lunges. Take a minute doing each warm-up exercise. After your warm-up and stretching, please make sure that you continue to work out for 15 minutes doing either cardio, resistance or strength training. This should be followed by 10 minutes of Ashtanga yoga and a cool-down or rest period of 10 minutes. Write down the time you have completed your workout. Please make sure you check with your doctor first before any vigorous workout routine. The benefits of a workout, especially at this early morning hour, are numerous, and we shall discuss that in another video. Completing your workout this early will give you a sense of accomplishment of your first task of the day, and just imagine what else you can do. Congratulate yourself, you are well on your way. Stick with this habit for the first 48 days. Come on, I know you can do it. Habit or discipline 3. Yes, it is time to meditate. Yes, you heard me right, I said meditate. Make sure you meditate for a minimum of 30 minutes after your workout. You may do the meditation before the workout, but make sure you do not skip it. Do not skip it. Meditation is a key discipline in the lives of the most successful people on earth. All you need to do is sit upright in a chair with your feet on the floor and eyes closed. Make sure your knees and hips are in a straight line when seated and your back should be upright. Close your eyes and start to take slow, deep breaths. With each breath, take 4 seconds for inhaling and 5 seconds of exhaling. Concentrate on the breath and not the thoughts in your mind. Do this for 30 minutes in the morning, preferably just before sunrise, and 30 minutes in the evening before bed. Record your progress daily and don't give up. We shall post more in-depth videos about the benefits of meditation very soon, so make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell. For now, follow each habit as recommended. Habit or discipline 4. From today onwards, at 5:40 a.m., write down your goals, your to-do list for the day, and how you plan to accomplish the goals you have set for yourself. When writing down your goals, please be specific about the whys, whats, hows, and when you want to accomplish your goals. I know you may not have all the answers at this point in time, but you must know that there is power in writing down your goals and aspirations. So, keep up the habit of writing in your journal and follow up on your progress daily. You should also write down 3 to 5 things you are grateful for daily. Relax, it's okay to repeat the things you are grateful for, but as you go along, keep finding new ones and adding them to your list. Be light-hearted about journaling and have fun expressing yourself. Get in the flow of this habit for the next 48 days and see how focused you can get. Habit or discipline 5. It is time to evaluate all the relationships in your life and social networks over the next 48 days. Why are we recommending this? In life, most of us go along with friends, family and colleagues, without really looking at how these relationships influence us or our purpose. We therefore end up in entanglements, relationships, friendships, jobs that do not serve our purpose. This evaluation of all personal, professional and casual relationships will definitely put us back on course with our goals and purpose. We can make evaluations by taking notice of who your friends and family are as people and how they behave, and their general attitudes in the different aspects of life. If there are any wealthy or financially successful people around you, take note of their actions, flaws and attitudes too. What really makes them tick? Make an evaluation of your behavior towards your friends and family too. What do you bring to the table in other people's lives? Don't just point fingers at others. Remember that you are the average of your 5 closest friends, so if you have broke, unhappy and negative people all around you, you seriously need to think and dig deep about how much influence they have over you and how much time you give such relationships. Can you have better relationships? Are you willing and capable of having better relationships that fulfill both parties and keep you on track of your goals and purpose? Ask yourself all the necessary questions and afterwards take a decision when you are calm and confident with the pros and cons of each decision you have taken. The bonus habit is managing your finance. We feel that there is no wealth without an abundance of finance. A clear, organized mind with specific tracking and management of finance creates wealth with so much ease. But we must reserve this habit for another in-depth video. Give yourself the chance to organize your mind and body first. Since you have already started practicing these wealth habits, managing finance is going to be so easy for you. Seriously, we have tried this ourselves. As we conclude this video, practice each habit diligently for the first 48 days, and you will certainly start to see results. Be honest with yourself in every aspect and do not skip. Be patient too and confident in the process. We wish you all the best. Please subscribe to this channel and please like this video. Continue to watch our videos where we explain how each habit helps to create wealth. Thank you.